Fleets play a pivotal role in organization success by enabling the timely and efficient movement of products, resources, and personnel. Managing this fleet of vehicles can be challenging and chaotic. From driver management, routine maintenance, fuel management, technician management, budgeting, safety and compliance, and much more. In many organizations, fleet managers still rely on manual processes and outdated legacy systems, leading to challenges such as lack of visibility into fleet maintenance history, cost and spare replacement, and problem tracking fleet movement, security incidents, and drivers' behavior. These problems often result in high operational cost, shortened fleet lifespan, poor management decisions, and the loss of assets and revenue. But there is a better way. Introducing Instanta Fleet, a comprehensive fleet management solution available both on web and mobile platforms. Efficiently monitor every aspect of your fleet, from maintenance, fueling, total cost of ownership, and trips. Instantly access valuable analytics for a specific vehicle or your entire fleet, including the total cost and actionable metrics on maintenance and fueling. On a vehicle's dedicated page, you can quickly find all the important information such as valuable performance metrics, cost and notification, maintenance history, fuel records, trip details, and document renewal history. Quick access to vehicle depreciation metrics, helping you to make informed acquisition and disposal decisions on your fleet. Efficiently manage your maintenance process for both internal and third-party workshops in one place. Handle everything from inspections to job orders, workshop tasks, and technicians' assignments seamlessly. Instanta Fleet ensures you stay on track with maintenance schedules by promptly notifying you when your vehicles are due for maintenance, whether based on mileage or specific time intervals. Whether you're in haulage, rental, public transportation, or managing pool vehicles, our trip and rental management models simplify the trip creation, assignment, communication, and monitoring. Effortlessly procure and manage spare parts and consumables in your inventory. The reservation app is designed for authorized employees to reserve company vehicles seamlessly for official business purposes. With our integrated telematics system, you can now monitor fleet movements, replay events, track drivers' behavior, and receive real-time notification for security events, all accessible from anywhere, anytime on the web and mobile. Instanta Fleet, a modern, comprehensive enterprise fleet management solution that gives you a total control over your fleet operation. Visit www.ceserve.com or email sales@ceserve.com for inquiries.